right, now we are on the last two. These are number 11 and number 12. Okay, so let me get rid of my ugly mug. Peace for the last time. Okay, so first off, number 11 actually has three problems in one. So for number 11, it says if, and then it gives us this problem, and then it gives us this problem with the y. Then it wants us to figure out what 4x minus 2y are. So our first goal is we need to figure out what x is and what y is. That's our first job. So for the first one, I have variables on both sides. So I'm going to move my x's to the left. It's a positive 7x, so I'm going to minus 7x. That is 0. X's are on the left. Since my x's are on the left, I do need to move the positive 5. It is positive 5, so I would go minus 5. So that's going to leave me with negative 4x equals negative 8. Once they're on opposite sides, finish them. Divide by negative 4, and I get x equals positive 2. So I now know what x is. X is 2. Now, this second problem is kind of written weird because it was typed out. It is this problem. Y over 5 equals 8 over 16. That's how it's going to look on the quiz. So on this particular problem, I need to cross multiply. So cross multiply, fraction equals fraction. 16 times y is 16y. And then 5 times 8 is 40. Divide both sides by 16. And our y is going to be 2.5. Okay? And now it's time to do my final part. Okay? I know what x is. I know what y is. Now I can figure out what 4x minus 2y is. So for the x, I'm putting my 2 there. So I have 4 times 2. For my y, I'm putting my 2.5. What my answer was for y. Minus 2 times 2.5. And I'm going to do this problem. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. 4 times 2 is 8. Multiply, negative 2 times 2.5 is negative 5. And finally, 8 minus 5 is 3. So the final answer to this problem is 3. The very last one is also a solving problem. Okay, number 12. Now, for this one, it's just solve. It's just one problem here, but there's a bunch of steps. First thing we should do is our distribute part. So everything else, drop it like it's hot. 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Drop it like it's hot. Now again, when I look at this problem, got to think, where are my x's at? Where are my variables at? And they're on both sides. So I'm going to move my x's to the left. So I want to move this positive 7x by going minus 7x. So 7x minus 7x is 0, and all my x's are on the left. Now, I have to move both this negative 6 and this negative 12 to the right side. So the negative 6, I'm going to add 6. For the negative 12, I'm going to add 12. And I have all three of these to combine. Okay, 9x minus 7x is 2x. Negative 22 plus 6 plus 12 is negative 4. And then I must finish. Divide both sides by 2. And x equals negative 2. Okay, And that's going to be it for the review sheet. Hopefully this helped, and bye-bye.